If you want to know how I changed my entryway from this cold and deserted area to this beautiful, warm, and welcoming space, please stand by. I achieved this modern and minimalistic project under $100. Containing 3 useful items and 2 decorative pieces, I now have the perfect entryway and I just can't stop looking at it. Hello everyone, my name is Abigail Marshall and I want to thank you so much for being here. Thank you to my current subscribers that are staying steady with me, and welcome to my channel for anyone that is new. In this video, I'm going to give you an idea on how you can style your entryway, especially if you have a very, very, very odd entryway. In this case, I know when it comes to renting apartments, you never know what you're going to get until you go in, and not all of them have the greatest characteristics. And I feel like just this open entryway is bad news, and it's not. I want a house, okay? I got an apartment budget with working towards that, but for now I'm gonna work with what I have. I kind of have this open concept in my little apartment, so it's more of a you get what you paid for kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so it's like as soon as you walk in, here's the living room, here's the dining room. There's no entry hallway. Like, I have my couch on the same wall as my door. How do I separate my entryway from my living room and not overkill each room? One of the few things that I have learned is that an area rug always pulls a space together. So though this is not a big area rug, there is a rug right at the entryway of my door. This is going to kind of pull the room or pull this section together. I then had to fix a problematic area, which were shoes all over the place, and which you guys will see in the next few clips coming up. I needed a solution to that, so I went to Burlington. At first I went to At Home, and I saw that their baskets were up there in the prices. I'm like, no thank you, I'm not paying that. I was about to get it, because sometimes you go into the store and you really want something, but you have that feeling inside like, I don't really like this, but I'll take it. When you have that feeling, just don't get that thing, because usually when you have that feeling, there is always something better for you. So don't ever be forced in the store. Just wait. All right, back on subject. Next, I wanted to find a plant. This would kind of kill off some of the negative space. I'm going to show you guys why, and you'll see in the video how it actually works. Just so you guys can see, in the midst of getting my shoe basket and my plant, you can see it divides and pulls this section over here. It also kills some of that empty space behind my lamp. And in addition to that, I added, follow me. Adding this piece of art and coat rack actually sections the room off. And even though you're still in the same room, it has everything to do with your eyes. So in a bit, I'm going to show you exactly how I put all of this together. I'll talk you through it. Don't let your entryway overwhelm you. I'm encouraging you guys, don't give up on your space. Let's get to this entryway. Come on. This is my naked and unloved entryway. At the end of the day, my husband and I will kick our shoes off and throw our coats anywhere gravity will take it. This is what inspired me to make this video, because I cannot take it anymore. With that said, my motivation comes from almost death after tripping over my husband's military boots. To give you a glimpse of reality, this is how my front door actually looks. I don't mind sharing that with you because I'm actually taking steps to make the situation better. So let's begin by cleaning up. If you've already decorated your entryway, but looking to refresh it, I would encourage you to take everything down and give yourself a new slate to look at so you can generate new ideas. I made sure the door could glide right above my area rug. It's also going to help me keep my carpet clean because I don't know how long we're going to be here. I'm now preparing this art piece to be hung. Using a leveler, painter's tape, and a pen, I can hang my pictures perfectly every time. This picture immediately draws attention to the doorway. Not only will it be the focal point, but it also sets the mood and tells my viewers a story of who I am and what I love. Not only that, it literally takes me to the beach, you guys. I love the beach. The feeling of the sand in between my toes, the waves splashing, the air moving through my hair. I could not have chosen a better photo. And to think I was going to sell this on Marketplace, because initially I could not find a home for it. until I realized it's okay to add artwork in spaces that you wouldn't usually think about adding artwork. Naturally, I wanted to center it in the room, but it worked perfectly here. Placement is very important in a home. It can make all the difference between your home looking like it just fell out of a magazine or giving you a migraine from an optical illusion book. But you make that decision. But as of me and my house, we serve the Lord. As of me and my house, we follow the rules. But if I'm honest with you, we actually do both. Those two things actually make this apartment a home. Up next is this beautiful coat hanger. This part is essential to your doorway. You need convenience in your place. To have a place for everything will immediately reduce your clutter. You guys, we are in the beginning of winter. The forecast is very moody. I've been through 3 different kind of coats this week alone. If that doesn't give you a visual, I don't know what will. And again, remember, lines, people, lines. Crooked furniture will destroy the image of a room. I'm now adding my basket and plant. These are the final 2 pieces that will establish the entryway. And with it sitting right next to a woven basket, let me tell you, it is the icing on a cake. I cannot explain it. I don't know what to call it. Maybe feng shui, something. I don't know, but it does a great deed. Every entryway is a little different. So if you're looking to mimic this design, you might want to consider putting the art, plant, or basket in a different location. And with that said, you have successfully seen an entryway go from nothing to something. Okay guys, I just put a lot of effort into that, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you being here with me, and you guys have a great day.
One eternity later.